84, from out of 84 councils, we have 50 councils, and we are expecting to win 10 more seats next in next elections, definitely, or even more than that. And they are 32. They will come to 22, and in next election, hopefully they will come to 20 or 12 or 10 seats only. So thank you very much for your help and support. With your support, it was not possible to win with a landslide victory in Netherlands vote, 1,000 vote majority. So I call upon, without any delay, Councillor Qurban Hussain, former Lord Mayor of Sheffield. Qurban Hussain, Councillor Qurban Hussain can come to the stage, please.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। सबसे पहले मैं जो गेस्ट थे वो तो कुछ चले गए, वो पर राजा साहब बहुत दूर से आए, राजा आरफ साहब फॉर्मर काउंसलर और जेपी, और मेरे कॉल पर वो आए, वो उनका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। उससे मेहमान जो पाकिस्तान से आए, मुश्ताक साहब लुटन से आए, उनका भी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। कैन आई से आल्सो राजा अब्दुल साहब फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान, can I thank you for your actually coming and attending। हाजी साहब दो हाजी साहब बैठे हुए हैं इधर स्टेज में, आपका भी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। आप लोगों का बहुत शुक्रिया जो आप इतने पेशेंस से बैठे हुए हैं। Can I come back to English? Can I start from my colleague who actually did support me in Nadaraj vote to win? I don't think anybody can win by itself, or not me, is my team win. And I think the Labour Party win the seat and the victory. And that's why I'm saying actually the people who actually supported me was Nikki here. She's gone actually somewhere, or I can't see her. I think most, because it's a district Labour Party and quite a few of them have gone for district Labour Party meeting. Dave here actually sitting in front of me, and also Luke sitting in front of me. They were actually totally very, very extremely hard, and they supported me. And then is Linda not here. She also was a coordinator for all campaign. She also wonderful work actually on campaign. Ingle here as well actually also, he actually done a lot of campaign, a lot of knocking door and everything else. Then is Graham is my agent actually. He's already spoke here, but he actually done wonderful job. Him and his wife. She actually done a lot of leaflet delivering. And then come to my own family, Mahmood, also Zamir Kabul, and Shabal, two Shabal actually. One is my nephew, and another one is my cousin. Both my nephew, I'm sorry. I think they actually work very, very hard with me, and they all make win the seat. And then other colleagues actually voted for me. Nadrej, all. One thing I was grateful for, the first time I was seen every brotherly. That's the most important, because all of them supported me. I think that's the most important thing, and that's a privilege to actually have all of this, some of them today here as well, which is, thank you for your patience today, because a lot of speakers was here, and I'm sure was colleagues sitting here, and they are actually frustrated to go and have some food as well now. I'm not going to take a long time. Everybody thanks here who actually came to support me in the election, and also come here tonight as well and make this celebration is a go. I'm sorry about delay. First thing, when I was elected, I have to go to Pakistan. When I come back, there was a time, Ramadan, so I can't do anything in Ramadan. And after Ramadan, straight after Ramadan, I have arranged to actually have a celebration, Eid celebration, and also same victory celebration. But then my uncle will pass away, so I have to cancel that day, and I have to rearrange. You can't rearrange next week or next day, because you have to get the people diary, and that's the one of thing. I think it's a great honor to actually acting chief constable was here. Councillor was here from Bradford, which is very important to actually people see, and he have to say something as well. And then Julie Dord was a leader of city. We have to get them their diary to get together and come here. And I think I have to finish here, because I think it's a long time. And I have to say again, I can't actually forget press. They have been here actually all this time, and I'm sure Two of my colleagues are here. They actually have apologized. Mirza Saab and also Raja Saab as well. Actually, they have another commitment today, so they've been waived. I'm sure what they say. Shah Saab have took some photo and detail. They pass on to them, and they will be actually on the paper. So, can I say thank you for once again, everybody, and please go have a food. I think food is still warm, and I'm sure we'll everybody enjoy it and have a chat. And thank you again, once again. And I have three people I now mentioned, which is they work behind the scene, and they work day and night for me, not only day, night time as well. Ajit Nazir Saab, Masud Bashir Saab, and चौधरी साहब बैठे हुए हैं इधर, इन्होंने भी बहुत काम किया अपने तौर पर, अपने घरों में गए और इन्होंने इतना काम किया है जिसकी वजह से I think I get the majority. If they haven't worked with me, they haven't worked which way they done the work, because Masud Bashir and Haji Nazir was former councillor, one of the Bucks, and they know very well all of those people. So they actually went and supported me. And I'm sure there's not only the Asian community or black community, even I went with them, the even white community in their, I actually they very much respect them, both of this councillor, past councillor, and they supported me actually. And that box was actually 100% of the, favor of me, for favor of Labour. And this victory definitely for the Labour and for the Yuva people as well, not just for me. Thank you very much for my,